welcome again.
Pa-August na to. August na yata to.
Yes, it is August.
Father, hindi ako kakanta for the topic. Ito may nag-message talaga sa akin. Paki-ask kay Tito Theo daw.
Oh, Tito na ako.
So imagine mo na nagpadala ng Liam parang Ate Charo.
Wow.
Dear Tito Theo, maganda po ako, late 30s. Lagi kong dasal na bigyan ako ng partner. At di ba, Lilith, ang galing ko sa mga bata. Bukod sa talagang gusto kong magkaroon ng asawa, talagang gusto kong maging mother. Pero bakit wala pa rin natataon sa kanya at tumatama? Pero nananalig siya, pero naiinip na rin siya. Pero sinasabi niya tuloy, inilista ba ako ni Lord sa libro niya bilang single forever?
Yun ang hindi ko alam.
Hindi natin malalaman, di ba?
Nabigla siya. No,
Tapos ang tanong.
Hindi. Actually, maraming ganyan tanong. Yung aking iniisip na mahusay, kasi naman, tama siya. Meron siyang maternal,
Instinct.
hindi more than
Skills.
instinct. Meron siyang maternal, parang love, kakayahan, no? Kapasidad. And she sees herself to be really a good mother. No? Ang tanong ko po kagad is, yung inyo pang makikilalang lalaki na dahil doon ay magiging nanay kayo, magiging mabuting tatay kaya siya. There are two ways eh. You can be a really good mother. Okay na lang ba sa inyo maging single mother?
Gusto niya talaga mag-asawa.
O, gusto niya mag-asawa, pero sino kayang asawa?
Oo, mahirap yun. Di ba?
Di ba? Kasi, ang tanong ko palagi kunyari sa ganyang lady, tanongin mo sa magiging asawa mo, boyfriend mo, huwag mong tanongin sa kanya kung gusto mo ba ako maging asawa eh. Ang tanong ko dyan sa iyo ay, gusto mo ba ako maging nanay ng anak mo?
Mas magandang tanong nga yun.
Di ba? At ang tanong ko sa iyo sarili is that, ito bang pwede maging tatay sa aming
Karapat-dapat
anak?
ba?
Or doon karapat-dapat, magiging uliran ba siya?
Maging,
Na ama. Kasi minsan baka hindi nagko-combine yun eh. Tama, maganda sa isang tao na maging, parang you can complete your womanhood by having a child. Although other women would never look at it that way. So, parang womanhood is not identified with motherhood. Although I would have something to say about that, that only woman can become a mother. So somehow motherhood is, in a way, sangkap rin ng pagkakababae, no? Pero I think I have always, in pre-Canas, preparation for marriages, it's not about getting married eh. It's also asking myself, yourself, siya ba ang pwede maging ama o ina ng aking mga anak? Parang looking beyond the child and yourself. Tama, you can really mother a child. But can he father that child?
Pero dinadasal niya, bakit single pa rin siya? Ang tagal na niya dinadasal, gusto kong mag-asawa.
Baka hindi yung tamang asawa ang binibigay pa sa kanya.
O hindi talaga pag-aasawa ang binibigay sa kanya?
Well,
Hindi natin alam, no?
you can never say kasi pwede kasing magkaroon na naging single blessed ka in that sense.
Oo, single blessedness is a vocation, di
Pero
ba?
you have helped your kapatid na alagaan talaga at mapasa iyo at tangkilikin ka na ikaw yung mas nanay sa kapatid mo kasi yung kapatid mo meron 5 anak
May pamangkin siya.
at pamangkin mo inintroduce na sa iyo maging iyong poder na, sa iyong maternal instinct to give your life for.
At least yung conversation niya kay God, siya honest, di ba?
Yes.
Yung-
Napaka-honest.
Gusto niya ma-in love. Pwede siguro niya kanya idasal na bigyan niyo ako ng tamang partner.
Kay St. Joseph yan.
Ah, talaga? Siya ba yun?
Siyempre.
Siya ba ang dapat dasalan?
Di ba?
Sa
Hindi ko
kanya
siya sabing
sa
huwag
kanya
yung
ako
dasalan
dapat
ng Diyos.
magdasal. Joke. Sa kanya ako
Kasi
dapat
ang
magdasal.
importante talaga is that, pero siguro ang sagot ko po ay tingnan natin sa kabuuan. Kasi that one could be really a good mother and there's no doubt to it. But life is a family, not just motherhood. It also connects with fatherhood. And the dynamics between husband and wife also creates a dynamics of me to the child and the woman
True.
to the child. Kasi nga, mayroong pagkakataon na parang pinag-aawayan na mag-asawa ang pagmamahal ng bata. Pag sinabi ng nanay mo, no, ako, yes. Pag sinabi ko ng no, bakit yes ang nanay mo? Di ba? So to the point
magkakaroon
na
ng clash.
pag hindi magandang marriage, baka pati yung parenting style hindi maging maganda. So, my answer actually is, tingnan sa kabuuan. I'm happy that, like you want to have children. You feel yourself to have that God-given gift to be a mother, but I would like to grow the question to, is God giving you the right husband because He is also the right father?
So, another point of issue.
Another point of issue talaga is the fact that when we talk about life, state of life rather,
Oh, state of life.
does this bring you this love for a child? And for that matter, the love for a wife to a husband. Does this bring you to God? Because the state of marriage, as the state of religious life, as the state of single blessedness, as the state of priesthood, being a state is called a state of holiness. Ibig ba sabihin sa holiness is, ito bang ginagawang Diyos, na daan ng Diyos, na sa pamamagitan ng aking pagmamahal sa aking kapwa. Kasi tama ang kapwa, ang anak ko, ang asawa ko, ang kapamilya ko. Yon ang magdadala sa aking pagmamahal papuntang langit. Kasi kamukha ko po, na wala akong asawa, pero nagmamahal po ako. At ang aking pagmamahal is one that is, as much as possible, a love available for everyone.
To a bigger family.
And everyone that God allows me to be entrusted to. Di ba? Kasi ganun ang availability ng pare at ng isang religious na you are assigned everywhere. Ang pamilya kasi, they will stay in one place. No? Pero a religious like me or a priest can be assigned by the superior somewhere else or with other members of the community.
Siguro yung urgency din ng matagal na niyang dinadasal magkaasawa at magkaanak. I think it's with age.
Oh.
Siyempre, di ba yung capacity mo to bear a child, pwede naman siya mag-adapt, di ba?
Well, iba yung adoption. Hindi siya natuloy na magkaroon ng asawa.
Oh, talagang single blessedness pala ang vocation niya.
You can only answer that question actually by hindsight.
Sa hindsight.
Oo, kasi merong dahilan at dahilan ng Diyos na hindi natin nakikita kasi it's still in the future.
That's true.
Pag-usapan na lang natin dito yung adoption, could you imagine St. Joseph not having a child?
Oo nga.
And he properly married. Betrothed
Oh.
At definitely, di ba, niligawan niya si Mary. At ang inisip niya, at ni Mary, I'm sure, kasi wala pa naman yung anghel na nagsasabi na maging anak niya ay anak ng Diyos. Akalang dream sa buhay, the ordinary family life.
Oo, ito correct.
Imagine to si Joseph na ang virgin that conceived a child remains a virgin but mother. So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya mako-consummate ang marriage pala. He would not have any sexual relationship with the mother
It's chastity.
of Jesus. And Yet, that is not his dream of marriage. It will be, kalalabasan pala na kanyang betrothal kay Mary is guardianship,
True.
protection.
Kasi ang laki ng mission ni Mary.
Yun po ang na-receive ko recently na sa pagkapari ko pala. Napakalaga palang aralin ng mga seminarista ang Josephology.
Anong tawag?
Josephology.
Meron ganun bukod sa Mariology.
Oo, kasi you are a husband of the church. Kasi Jesus and his wife, the bridegroom and the bride.
Correct.
And you represent Jesus as a priest, as a leader. And yet, your wife has children by baptism that are not yours. And yet, you're asked to keep and to guard and defend. And the church you so much love, the bride you so much love, is also not yours to touch sexually.
But you have to protect.
You would remain a guardian.
Oo, guardian.
So, when you look at it po, many times, as you said about adoption, it becomes, as in many schools, meeting ng parents and guardians.
True.
Kasi OFW po eh. So it could be very, very possible that you're really a mother, though not having given birth to that child that you are asked
To take care of.
to take care and to love. I end po ganito eh. Adoption, ano? Mag-asawa, hindi sila parehong magkadugo. Siyempre, mag-asawa, meron silang kanya-kanyang pamilya. They adopted two. Isang babae, tsaka isang lalaki. So, hindi nila kadugo.
Of course.
At yung dalawa, hindi rin magkadugo. Eh, nangyari na yung meron silang maid, kasambahay, iniwan yung bata sa kanila.
Dahil nag-abroad.
Hindi, buntis pa lang dumating, niluwal,
Yung maid ang nanganak.
tapos yung maid, nagpaalam lang na may pupuntahan, hindi na bumalik.
Iniwan yung bata.
Iniwan yung bata. Sabi nila sa akin, Father, liba kami sa pamilya, walang magkakadugo.
Oo nga, no?
Could you just imagine and yet the love of both of them for the three is so much.
And I'm sure the love of the three to the parents, the foster parents. Also.
And then, that will bring them to heaven.
Oo nga.
So, what brings you to heaven is the ultimate question with God. Panginoon, ang dasal ko, bigyan mo ako asawa o wala.
Oo nga.
Magkaroon ako anak o mag-a-adapt ako, whatever, in the future. Isa lang ang gusto mo yata eh. Na sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa sapagkat sinusunod sa langit. Na sana yung pagsunod ko dito sa lupa ay siyang aking pagpunta rin sa langit.
So, sana maibsan yung matagal ng panalangin nitong si single lady.
O siguro, kung pwede lang i-redirect ang dasal.
Oo nga.
I-redirect ng konti ang dasal towards what is the state of holiness that God wants me to become.
Pero di
like.
ba sinabi mo, pag on hindsight, kasi mo marirealize, di ba na, sinunod niya yung state of holiness na path niya, di ba sabi mo, yung grasya talagang darating.
Dadating doon for that
In,
state.
in our priesthood episode, di ba?
Siyempre, yun na nga eh.
It's also for anyone, di ba?
Correct. Yeah.
So, it's okay to be single, di ba? Ako, single ako. I have two cute
But probably
cats.
you need to mingle.
Of course, you need to, a community.
Correct.
No man is an island, di ba?
Correct. Yan.
So,
So please subscribe.
it's okay to stay single as long as you like, follow, and subscribe as Theo. We'll be back.